What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. This video I want to show you some other examples regarding higher roots. The first example is finding the fourth root of 256. Answer is, we know 256 is like 4 to the power of 4. 4 to the power of 4 will be 256. So we can conclude that the fourth root of 256 will be 4. Next example. The fifth root of 243. Answer is, we know 3 to the power of 5 is 243. So the fifth root of 243 will be 3. Next example. Cube root or third root of 1000. This one is simple. We know 10 to the power of 3 or 10 cube will be 1000. So the cube root of 1000 will be 10. Next example. The fourth root of 16. Answer will be 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So the fourth root of 16 is 2. Next one is cube root of negative 64. Answer is negative 4 to the power of 3 will be negative 64. Therefore, the cube root of negative 64 will be negative 4. Next example. The fourth root of negative 16. Now, since the root is even number, there is no answer to this question. Why? Because there is no number that when you have it to the power of 4 gives you negative number. So whenever the exponent is even number, the answer for sure will be a positive number. And although this one can be positive or negative, the final answer will be positive. So there is no answer to this question. And finally, the last example is the fifth root of negative 243. Answer will be negative 3 to the power of 5 will be negative 243. So the fifth root of negative 243 will be negative 3. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.